Some sidewalks in downtown Medford are falling apart, but there's a rift between the city and business owners about who's responsible for those repairs.
The Medford Urban Renewal Agency installed the sidewalks 12 years ago with a budget of nearly $1 million, and the city selected the pavers and the trees. Businesses have been told they're responsible for the maintenance of the sidewalks, but property managers we spoke with say the sidewalks don't need to be maintained, they need to be replaced entirely.
Sidewalk's only 12 years old. That's a third of the life of a good sidewalk at best. Anywhere else that you look around the city that you see poured concrete sidewalks, they're all fine. The city needs to step up and fix this problem.
Property owners have been given 9 months to fix the problem, but have been asked to sign agreements saying the city is not liable for defective sidewalks. Zimmer says they have yet to sign those. The city has agreed to look into whether or not this is a design or installation flaw, but there's no word on when the council will discuss this issue next.